How to be a happy and stress-free woman? Hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and to another video. Today's video is dedicated to all women who are extremely busy in their daily routine and feel like life has become dull, it's colorless, and lacking motivation. That's why in today's video, I'll be discussing how to be a happy and stress-free woman. This short video is guaranteed to bring some positive vibes into your life. Watch the video till the end, and don't skip any step. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Wake up early in the morning. Waking up early brings positive energy into your life. Watching the sunrise gives peace to your eyes and your mind. It creates a peaceful vibe and helps make your day feel more productive and joyful. So, sleep early at night and develop the habit of waking up early. Helps you get more done and feel better. Tip number 2. Never ignore self-care as soon as you wake up. Brush your teeth. Use a mouthwash to kill bacteria. Wash your face with a suitable face wash and remove any leftover moisturizer from the night. Choose a nice outfit, even if you're staying at home. Don't keep saving your good clothes for someday. That day never comes. Wear them for yourself, not for others. When you value yourself, you'll feel good, and others will value you too. Take a daily shower, even if you're not washing your hair. Use deodorant or antiperspirant, especially in summer. A little perfume or body mist adds freshness. Apply light makeup if you like. I use Yash Organics tinted sunscreen. It protects my face during kitchen work and gives a BB cream-like finish. I also use a tinted lip oil and some mascara, and that's it. These small steps give you a fresh, presentable look even at home. Tip number 3. Try to be independent. When I started my channel, I kept a diary where I wrote down my goals and struggles. Being independent matters more than what your father, brother, or son earns. What you earn and do yourself matters most. I also advise all women to save money, no matter how small. Never let your wallet be empty. If you want to buy something for yourself in the future, your savings will give you that freedom. You won't have to rely on anyone. Tip number 4. Take a break sometimes. A break is necessary. Go out every few months, even if it's just in your own city. Visit a mall, a restaurant, or any place that lifts your mood. Changing your routine helps refresh your mind and gives you a new start. Tip number 5. Don't expect from others. Don't depend on others to do your work. Handle your responsibilities yourself. It keeps you active and stops negative thinking. When you're busy, your mind won't wander toward useless thoughts. If you see a mess in your room or wardrobe, clean it yourself instead of asking someone else. You'll know where everything is, and you'll feel more in control. The smaller your circle of expectations, the happier you'll be. Tip number 6. Forget your past. No matter what you faced, good or bad, let it go. Focus on today and tomorrow. A better today leads to a better future. Tip number 7. Try to be happy. Do things that make you happy. Don't deprive yourself of things you like. Save money, but don't skip buying something your heart desires. Give yourself value and others will do the same. Spend me time with a coffee. Watch a good drama. Read a book. Or even scrolling through your phone, whatever relaxes your mind. Tip number 8. Stay away from negative people if you want a successful life. Distance yourself from negative people. Spend more time with your kids. They will grow up and leave, but these moments will stay with you. Give quality time to your family, parents, and husband. The people who bring negative vibes will affect your life, so avoid them as much as possible. That's it for today's video. I hope you found some helpful and positive tips here. Take care of yourself. Keep me in your prayers.